Hi, this is Aman Kumar from Team Technoholics.
Hi, I am Aditi Jain from Team Technoholics.
Hi, I am Andarshu Sharma from Team Technoholics.
My name is Ayush Shrivastava.
And myself Himanshu Agrawal, and we are from Team Technoholics.
We are here with our prototype Smart Bin, which is a 5G based app integrated waste monitoring system. In the recent decades, urbanization has increased tremendously. At the same phase, there is an increase in waste production. Waste management has been a crucial issue to be considered. The major problem is the inefficient managing, collection and disposal of the waste, which leads to a waste of time and money.
So we have got the solution for this problem, which is our Smart Bin. So let's get dive into the feature of this Smart Bin.
With this Smart Bin, we have also developed an integrated mobile app network for waste management. The first app is for municipal, or we can say for main authorities. It is a web app which is developed for main authority, which shows the real-time fill levels of all dustbins. An alert is also sent to this web server when the garbage level is full in dustbins. The real-time location of each dustbin is tracked with the help of GPS and can be shown on the map in case of fire in any dustbin. The second app which we have developed is for workers, and it is an Android application which is developed for workers and linked to a web server which will help workers to schedule the pickups of garbage from dustbins. The app navigation can send optimized routes for garbage collection to the vehicle driver. It will reduce the number of vehicles and thereby fuel consumption will also decrease. After cleaning of the dustbin, the driver confirms the task of emptying the garbage using RFID tags. Every worker is given a unique RFID card which helps main authority to know that garbage is picked by that particular worker.
Next, we have designed a user app. It is basically an Android application for users which get them alert if any waste collector vehicle visit their area so that no user can miss the right time to dispose of waste. The smart bins have a feature to generate QR code after determination of waste type and weight. The generated code can be scanned from the app to get rewards like coupons, scratch cards, promo cards, and etc. With the help of geotagging feature, a person can upload photos and location of extremely filthy places near them on this app, and the data is sent to the main authority, and the main authority will take action.
Let's discuss the product features of this Smart Bin. First, fill level detection. Smart waste containers equipped with fill level sensors and detectors with 5G wireless connectivity allow for accurate planning, reporting, and optimization. As you can see on the screen, the weight is 25 grams and the fill level is 2%. When I put some weight into the dustbin, the fill level and the weight will increase by some percent. As you can see on the screen, the weight and fill level has increased after putting the weight. The same we can see also in our app. Now I am going to put some more weight up to a certain level so that alert can be sent to the worker. As I had put some more weight, the fill level has increased to 94%. The next feature of this Smart Bin is automatically opening and closing of the lid. Especially in this COVID time, where hygiene is more important in the person's life, this dustbin will help the person to throw the garbage without any physical contact. When the person will come near the dustbin, the lid will be automatically open, and when the garbage is thrown, the lid will be automatically closed.
Okay, now let's see the demo of this feature. Whenever user puts the garbage in front of the sensor, the lid will automatically opens. You can see that the lid is automatically open. After garbage is placed inside, the lid will automatically closes.
The next feature of municipal app is add new workers. So the municipality has a rights to add their workers or vehicle drivers. So here we can see municipal needs to add some relevant information like name, mobile number of worker, address and vehicle number. And also municipal authority will generate a specific user ID and password for worker so that worker can access the workers app. So after completing the process, the worker can be seen listed in the workers list in the municipal app.
The next feature of this smart bin is route planning optimization. Smart route planning enables the automated management of waste collection routes based on precise predefined analytical data regarding the condition of waste collection vehicles, containers location and filling level.
Since the worker is added by the municipal and also dustbin is filled up to 94%, then an alert will be received by municipal. As you can see in the alert section, two dustbins are showing fill. One is 94% and other is 97%, and also the location of first dustbin is near to the second dustbin. So as you can see, here are the worker list. Now notify one of the worker by pressing notify button. Now a notification has received by the worker and both the dustbins are assigned for pickup to the same worker since the location of first dustbin is near to the second one. So our route optimization algorithm will find the shortest path from the location of worker to the location of dustbin so that pickups can be more efficient.
The next feature of this system is the worker recognition system. This smart bin is secured by RFID tags for recognition of worker. With the help of RFID tag, only an authorized municipal worker can open the dustbin. No other person or agent can open the bin on their own.
Let's see the demo. When an unauthorized person is trying to open the door, it's not opening. But when a real person or an authorized municipal worker tries to open, it will automatically opens.
Here we can see when the waste is collected from a smart bin, the RFID recognition system will ensure to send the information to the completed pickup section where the municipality can see whether the garbage is collected by the worker on time or not.
The next feature of this smart bin is to spread the awareness among the people, that is, reward as incentives. Rewards to the user on scanning the QR code generated after determination of waste weight and type. Rewards can include coupons, promo codes, and even wallet money.
Look at this demo. When a person throws a garbage in the smart bin, a QR code will be generated on the screen. After scanning the QR code, a person can get promo codes, coupons, points, or even wallet money.
So the next feature of our app is that it gives the real-time alert to the user when any garbage collector vehicle visit their area so that they can dispose of garbage at the right time. Generally the problem is that people usually miss the right time to dispose of the waste because they don't know the exact time when the vehicle arrives their location. Here you can see that garbage collector vehicle is far away from the current location shown in map with the pink marker, and thus no notification is received. Here you can see that a notification is received indicating that garbage collector vehicle is near to the current location and it can be clearly tracked on the map. So with this feature, user can get real-time alerts and can dispose of the waste at the right time, and the location of the garbage collector vehicle can be easily tracked.
The next feature is solar powered trash compactor. A waste compactor reads the waste bin fill level in real time by using sensors and then triggers automatic compaction. This increases the bin's capacity up to 5 to 8 times. Next feature is waste segregation, sorting and categorization of waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Another feature is interactive bin with dashboard. Innovative waste bins come equipped with screens, dashboards, or other interactive systems that capture the user attention. For example, they can include elements of the game, can educate how to correctly sort waste, or motivate users every time they throw away their waste in the bins. The next feature is temperature sensors. During the fill level measuring, inbuilt sensors also measure the current temperature inside a container and transmit this information to a server, together with other measured data. In case of sudden temperature changes, example through a fire, the system automatically informs operator via text or email alerts. Now let's have a look on impact of 5G on our product. With digital transformation in full swing, the number of connected devices is increasing at a fast pace. IDC predicts 152,200 connected IoT devices every minute by the year 2025. While this translates to more data and subsequently more avenues to improve efficiency, a robust network is necessary for the real-time data exchange.
The fifth generation wireless technology, that is 5G, has features that will not only support high-speed mobile communication but also make IoT data transfer more efficient. Let's discuss about the advantages of this smart bin. First, the filling and cleaning time of smart bin will also be reduced and thus making empty and clean dustbin available to the common people. Second, by using the route algorithm, it will smartly find the cost-effective route, less amount of fuel consumed by the vehicles, can save a large amount of money. Third, connection operations becomes more efficient and smarter. It will stop overflowing of dustbins along roadsides and localities. Fourth, it also aims at creating clean as well as green environment.
Now, let's discuss the environmental benefits of this smart bin. First, smart bins are environmentally friendly. By reducing the need for collection visits, smart bins lower emission of carbon dioxide and other gases. As a result, we are getting cleaner and safer streets. Second, using a gentle compaction system maximizes bin capacity, allowing us to keep more waste in the bin. Third, the smart bins have been standardized in a way that they can be emptied using existing collection equipment. Fourth, compared to traditional recycling bins, smart bins take up less space on the footpath, reducing clutter and making it easier for people to move around the city. Finally, the conclusion of this smart bin is, in this system, the information of the dustbin can have access from anywhere and anytime. This system will help inform the status of each dustbin in real time. So waste management can send the garbage collector to pick up the garbage when the dustbin is full. The range of the ultrasonic sensor can detect distance is between 2 cm until 400 cm. This sensor will compare the depth of the dustbin to show the level of the garbage in the bin. Therefore, waste management can be monitored. As the system is very much dependent on the network and latency, the upcoming 5G technology will boost the working. Additionally, the development of the system can improve by designing a system that can identify different types of garbage by using image recognition in avoiding mistakenly put the garbage at the wrong bin. By implementing this proposed system, it will reduce cost, manpower and indirectly reduce traffic in that place. Thank you.